First of all, I want to tell you that I appreciate your interest in the property management system I created called iCmyProperty. I wrote the core of this system with several people in mind: the property owner, the property manager, and various stakeholders with differing interests in the property. I have two specific examples that will help describe my motivation and illustrate the roles of the various stakeholders. In the first case, my mother is the property owner, I'm the property manager, and my siblings are stakeholders. In the second case, I'm the owner as well as the property manager, and my wife is the primary stakeholder. As you can see, I embarked on this project with myself and my family in mind. You can be sure that my motivation is to provide an excellent tool to provide excellent customer support and to expand the features and usefulness of the iCmyProperty system. I had several objectives in mind for this cloud-based system. I wanted to make it capable of summarizing performance metrics with a simple, consistent presentation interface, communicating annual income and expense records for tax preparation, minimizing the effort of the property manager in performing recurring tasks, allowing access by multiple kinds of users in multiple locations at any time of the day or night, protecting data by limiting each user's view based on the role of the person accessing the system. To do all of this, I have integrated three components. The first is an open source database tool called MySQL, where SQL stands for Structured Query Language. MySQL, as it is also called, serves as the repository for your data. The second is a powerful programming language called Perl. And the third is your web browser with basic HTML as the presentation interface. The final result is the iCmyProperty system. There's a play on words here, since the letters I and C stand for Internet Cloud, but the phrase iCmyProperty emphasizes the ability to see and control your property's performance. The MySQL database and Perl software is located in the cloud on a virtual private network or VPN server, and access to your instance is granted via the HTTPS encryption protocol and a password-protected web page that you control. You give selected stakeholders access via computer or smartphone over the internet by assigning a username and password to each one individually. My goal, both for myself, my family, and by extension for you as my future client, is to make the experience using iCmyProperty as useful, intuitive, and simple as possible, and to enable profitability for you as a landlord. This is a work in progress, and I plan to keep improving it over time based on continuing feedback from my clients and customers. Finally, and most importantly, my intention is to provide personal support that large software developers are not able to provide. I'm in the process of implementing a system to manage requests for guidance and help for users. There will be two components of this. One will be YouTube videos, and the other will be scheduled interactive help sessions that allow you to talk to a human being who is familiar with the system. As time goes on, I plan to provide a growing library of YouTube videos that demonstrate how to resolve problems or demonstrate great ideas from users on how to best leverage the system. Thanks again for your interest in the iCmyProperty system, and I look forward to helping you make property management easy, profitable, and even enjoyable.